How to choose captain in Fantasy Premier League. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can choose captain in Fantasy Premier League. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up the Premier League application in your mobile device. So once you are opened up, make sure that you're signed in. Now to choose a captain in Fantasy Premier League, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom, head over to Fantasy. Here, tap on Pick Team Options once you land on your Fantasy. So once you land on here you will get to find your captain with label as C at the top on the left hand side on each player. So as you can see, this is the current captain. Now to change or to choose a different captain, you could set this as a vice captain. Now select the player that you want to set as captain. So for example, I want to go with this one right here. Then select captain, and with that, now the captain has been changed. So in this way, you could change or you could choose captain with your preferred player. So that's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.